Hello everyone. Today I will introduce our project. It is about a hydroelectric generator. Our design follows the principle of waste utilization. The water wall is made of a square air sheet. The small generator is made by ourselves. Next is the demonstration of the principle. We flush the water wall. The water wall rotates at the same time to turn the small generator. Then the generator will produce electricity. The power can make the lights on, and we connect the voltmeter to measure the output voltage. Next, we flush the water wall and we found that the equipment works successfully. And we found that the light is on, and we can see the output voltage is around 3. Finally, through this design, we learned how to make a small generator and learned how to transform energy, improve the size of the teamwork and hands-on abilities, and accumulated practical experience. Okay, this is our project. Thank you for your watching.
Hello everyone, I'm Shi from Group 6. Today, I would like to introduce to you the hydraulic generator manufactured by our team in this product. First, I will introduce the product and the background of the production. As known to all, with the improvement of living standards, more and more people began to enjoy the fun of camping in the world, and people began to pay attention to the safety and the life protection of camping in the world. With lighting, heating, first aid, and other activities, electricity is inseparable. However, without a grid outlet that can be moved at any time in the field, carrying a large capacity power supply at the same time is unwieldy. Especially in an emergency, there is a risk of power shortage if contact is lost. In this act, we made such a hydrodynamic generators. The generator relies on the river, which can be seen in the world, and it uses the kinetic energy of the river to convert it into electricity for user to perform a range of activities, including lighting, help, and heating. We use PVC materials, DC motor, and other design through the stable structure to ensure that the hydrodynamic power generation equipment can be used in the outdoor normal. Simply connect the interface to the bulb and other drivers to complete the power supply. Next, I will describe the materials we use to make such a generator and the cost. In line with the principle of environment protection, most of the materials we use come from some discarded machines in order to achieve the purpose of waste recycling. Like here, we cut a water wheel out of a scrap metal and sprayed it with black paint. The vending of our generator was also done by our team members, so we think our product is environmentally friendly. Of this, our products have a relatively low cost as is shown in the table. Recycling old materials makes our cost less. There are 8 members in our group, so the total cost of $199 meets the per capita cost requirement of the course. I will explain the principle of operation. We make a DC generator. The working principle of DC generator is that the AC electromotive force induced by the commutator in the armature coil is matched with the commutation of the brush, so that it becomes the DC electromotive force when it is drawn from the end of the brush. We built a rotating shaft to support the rotation and connect it to the bulb with a wire at the output. The specific operation process and detailed introduction will be introduced by Longchen in the product demonstration video, so I will not repeat the description here. Next, Binghui Fu will continue to introduce our generator to you.
Hello everyone, my name is Fu Hui, and I'm going to introduce our project to everyone. First, let's talk about the application scenario of our project. Well, this simple portable hydro generator can be used to generate electricity in the outside field. When electricity is needed during the camping, hydro generator can be placed in the ditch to give power to the equipment, including lights, fans, mobile phones, electric legs, and other common equipment. If a hydro generator is needed in other scenarios, an additional nozzle is needed to create a high-speed flow of water through the nozzle, which can be used in other everyday scenarios, such as using water to power a LED at home after a power failure. Then let's introduce plan of action. A Gantt chart can show the phases obtained from the work breakdown structure and their corresponding tasks. These charts can show the time to complete each task and each stage in detail, helping team members to better plan the project. Therefore, no matter what problems exist, they can be solved within the prescribed time. Connections between different tasks can also be added to our project plan. In general, Gantt charts can be used in the planning of our projects. Then let's talk about the commercial prospects. From the above introduction, we can understand that our product is originally designed to supply electricity for wide camping. This is a very hot topic at present. More and more people like to go to the well to explore the fun of light. So it is the general trend to have such a product. In terms of the materials used, our product structure is actually not very complicated, and many of the equipment discarded by the factory can be used as its raw materials. So we can cooperate with other factories to turn waste into treasure. In terms of the budget, we can also see that its cost budget is not high at all, which can fully meet the demand of integrating into market. In terms of the working principle, all the principles we use already exist, and we do not need to re-establish them. Therefore, we are resource-integrated goods, more flexible, and it is highly controllable, and there will be no unsolved problems. This also provides a greater guarantee for the future. Finally, let's to the conclusion. In this project, we learned the common power generation and distribution process. We studied the working principle of the DC generator, including how its electromotive force is calculated. We also learned the definition and calculation for DC generator torque and power, as well as the structure of LED principle and its light source characteristics. While learning theoretical knowledge, we have also mastered more teamwork skills. So this is our project. Thank you for your listening.